Unong yalam ka Liang Pyrshah mukul sangma ula kenwa baka jingtih dewïong bian kadang yai beteng hakani ke jela kat baka Sorkar MDA balayalam da ka NPP kadang beteng hakibor sencang. Ula kenwa baki kambian kibayadei bat udewïong kilanang kiu hakini kisnem balalek batla kenwa baka Sorkar kala ailat yakum kini kikam bandang yai beteng. Ulaong baka jing jabas ngosi ke badang syen haka bayade bat ka jing bekai haka par dewïong kalong ka jing bambiang haka rukom trekam bat ula kenwa baka don ka jing yaslok ne don kti bat ai jing rab bajeliu hakikam khayi dewïong ki babian.
The idea of allowing non-tribals in GT.
See, for whatever reasons, this started from the beginning. That's why I'm saying, over the decades, as situations unfold, because more and more intelligent people have probably were vested with the responsibility of administration, governance, and we are seeing how vulnerable we are becoming, how more and more vulnerable our people are becoming. There is more alienation of land, more and more alienation of land. You see, therefore, the alienation of land, alienation of opportunities, bigger sharks coming and displacing all those small fishes. All these things are the factors which are from multiple perspective triggering this thought process, and result is what we see. And there are many other factors. I have just whispered to the ears of Honorable Chief Minister while we were waiting for the Honorable Governor what is happening on the ground. I am telling you, you will see many more negative ramifications unfolding if the government of the day doesn't know how to stop this at the right. They have failed to stop it at the right time. You see, they have failed to stop. Even that whole growing, that so-called whatever, whether you call it hatred, you are allowing.